How to pay for a pending purchase on iPhone. Got a pending purchase on your iPhone and it won't go through? Here's how to fix it and pay successfully. So first, go ahead and open your settings on your device and then tap on your Apple ID. And then once you tap on your Apple ID, that will take you here. So in here, look for media and purchases and click on it and click on view account from here. So in here, you need to use your Face ID to access this. So under the media and purchases, click on purchase history and pending items will appear at the top. Now go back to Apple ID settings and tap on payment and shipping and update your card details or add a new payment method like GCash, PayPal, or another card. Now once updated, Apple will automatically retry the charge, and if successful, the pending item will move to the completed. If it still fails, check your balance, confirm your billing address, or contact your bank to approve online transactions. And that's it. Update your payment method, let Apple retry, and your pending purchase will be cleared.